Yeah, go ahead, Travis.
We had 4 successful launches. 3 of the ships deployed properly.
How did yours do? Well, that's very interesting. We had 4 that launched on time.
One drifted completely to the north. We had 1 that got tangled up in its chute and came down right to the 10th.
We had 2 coming down right next to each other. One got blown clear